In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Trello. A Gantt chart gives you a visual timeline of your tasks so you can see who's doing what and when, spot overlaps, and keep your project on track. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. From here, you have two options. If you're starting fresh, click the Create button at the top to make a new board. Give it a clear name so it's easy to find later. If you already have a board set up for your project, simply open that board instead. Either option works. The Gantt chart will be connected to whichever board you're working in. Once you're inside the board, look to the top right of the screen for the Power Ups button. Power Ups are how Trello adds extra features, and the Gantt view is provided through a Power Up. Click Power Ups, then select Add Power Ups to open the directory. In the search bar, type Gantt chart by Placker. This is a well-known Power Up that adds a timeline view to your board. You'll see it appear in the results. Click Add to begin installing it on your board. Trello may show a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and click Add or Enable to confirm. If you're part of a workspace with specific permissions or a plan that limits power-ups, you may need approval from an admin or to confirm a trial. That's normal. Just proceed with the on-screen prompts. After the power-up is enabled, it will be available from your board. You'll typically find access to the Gantt view from the power-ups menu or as an option added to your board's header. You don't need to move your cards or lists. The power-up reads your existing board and presents the tasks on a timeline. A quick tip to get the most out of it: make sure your cards have due dates. Gantt charts rely on dates to place tasks on the timeline. If your workflow includes start dates, adding those where supported will make your timeline even more accurate. Assigning members, adding labels, and grouping related tasks will also help the chart communicate status at a glance. That's it. You've added a Gantt chart to your Trello board using the Gantt chart by Placker PowerUp. From here, you can switch between your standard board view and the timeline view whenever you need a higher level project snapshot. If you ever need to manage or remove the Power Up, return to the Power Up section on the board and adjust it there. Thanks for watching, and enjoy planning your projects with a clear visual timeline.